Hello you guys. So I'm on my deathbed. I have the same thing that everybody and their brother and their brother's cousin's mailman's baby mama has. So I was looking on Pinterest because there's really not anything you can take to make it better, just Tylenol, Motrin fluids. So Pinterest had a lot of different detox baths and I felt like it can't hurt. But there's like 10,000 different recipes, so I thought I'll just add everything together and see what happens. I don't think anybody's ever died from a detox bath, but if so, I guess I'll be the first. Something's going to take me out. Might as well be a relaxing bath. I was reading on here, and I have been doing the magnesium bath flakes in my bath, soaking at least once a week since I had my accident, because there's research saying that it can help with pain, because if your magnesium levels are low, which mine are, I just had them tested and I was actually put on a supplement, but if your magnesium levels are low, that can contribute to pain. So I have been using this along with my ultrasound machine every night on my ankle. So I just wanted to share with you some of the things that detox baths will help with. Muscles and nerves function properly, regulate enzymes, help prevent artery hardening and blood clots, improve insulin, reduce inflammation to relieve pain and muscle cramps, improve oxygen use, which I need some improvement in that area right now. It helps with joint proteins and mucin proteins and brain tissue. I need to get Chris in here and let him take a bath after I get done because he needs some brain tissue. And then it helps prevent or ease migraine headaches. So there we have it. That's why I'm going to do it, because Pinterest says it's a good thing. I don't believe all that, and you shouldn't either, but why not? So, some of the things I'm going to be adding are apple cider vinegar. I'm going to do 2 cups of that. I didn't have any coconut oil on hand. I'm out. It says this will help with cleaning out all the toxins and restore your pH balance and help you feel clean and moisturized. And then some people have reactions to the magnesium. It can give you like a tingling sensation. So if you have that issue, then you can use Epsom salt, which is also magnesium sulfate, but it's like the gentler version, that if you have a problem with this, you can usually do this. Let's see. Okay, I'm using I'm using peppermint essential oil, because this is supposed to help with relaxation and also help to open everything up, which I'm thinking about just pouring this down my nose. I have honey to make for baby soft skin, olive oil for the same purpose, milk, I'm going to use a 1/2 cup. I didn't have any lavender oil. I'm new to the whole essential oil thing, so I need to build that up. Let's see. That was three different detox baths that I'm combining, and then I'm going to be using ginger, which is good for sweating out toxins. It says it makes it feel like a sauna. It makes you sweat, so you can do a 1/2 cup of fresh grated ginger or a rounded teaspoon of ginger powder, which is what I have. And then it says to test it on your skin for any irritation, which if you get in the bath and something starts burning or hurting, you need to get out. I don't have any seaweed. I don't have any green tea bags. I don't have any rock salt. Oh, I do have baking soda. I need to go get that. Oh, the baking soda, they said, is to help with the water, neutralizing the chemicals that are not naturally, but in the water that we get out of the tub, because I don't have a chlorine filter. At least I don't think I do. Is that something you put on? I don't know. I'm going to do it just to be safe. And then the apple cider vinegar is good for arthritis, gout, and relaxing muscles. It eliminates buildup of excess acids. This is like crazy with small reading. So most of these say you, like, I know I have to shower after the bath with this, but the apple cider vinegar says don't shower for 8 hours. I'm going to shower afterwards. And then there's also an oxygen bath, which you can put hydrogen peroxide in with ginger, but I will not be doing that today. So, let me go get the baking soda and let's get started and make some brandy stew.
Let's say you want it to be as hot as you can stand it, and I like baths and showers very hot. I'm just worried about adding this ginger and like for real sweating.
Okay, so I've got my hot water drawn. Don't mind that purple spot on the bottom. That is from those DAMN bath crayons. I told you it's like a Sharpie marker. I have bleached and scrubbed and tried all different products. So if you know a way to get that off of my bathroom or off of my tub, then please leave a comment because it's driving me insane. Anyways, here is my cup of baking soda that's going to neutralize the chemicals in the water. I have a rounded tablespoon of ginger. I also have some like sea salts that I'm going to throw in. Because why not? I have 3 different kinds of salt, but that's the American way. As much salt as you can get. Next, I'm going to pour some milk. I'm going to do 2 cups. Oh, there's some actual water in there. I feel like I have a meth lab in my bathtub. I'll squeeze some honey. I'll squeeze out some honey. That's attractive. I usually do 4 handfuls of the magnesium salt. The package actually states that you can use a whole bag in the bath, but I'm not. Gonna mix in some Epsom salt. Two cups of apple cider vinegar. Two tablespoons of olive oil. Right now it looks atrocious and all I smell is apple cider vinegar, but at least I can smell it, so I'm going to go ahead and add in the peppermint, and it says 10 drops. I can't see what's coming out. Surely that was like 12 or 30. Either way. So this looks disgusting, and my skin is either going to feel so soft and I'm going to be toxin free, or my skin is going to start to peel off of my body, and this will be a warning to everyone. So this is for you. So welcome to Tub Talks with Brandy. I'm here with my special guest, finger painting soap. Kinsley loves that too. It doesn't stain, so if you're looking for something that doesn't stain, that would be it. The demon crayons will probably not make an appearance back at my house. I have coverage here, so I don't do any kind of Janet Jackson stuff. And let's just chat a little bit. Let's just talk. So, look at how black my eyes look. I could be like an extra in some kind of demonic movie right now. But, anyways, what was I going to say? So this water is kind of murky, and I have a problem with that because the original It movie, well, I don't know if it's the original. I know there's been like a TV one and all kind of stuff. Anyways, the one where he comes up out of the shower drain has scarred me since I was a child. My mother had to sit in the bathroom with me to make sure that the evil clown didn't come out of the drain, because that was the most terrifying scene like I've ever seen. And it took me a long time, like an embarrassingly long time, to be able to get in the bath by myself. So I can do it now, but I like the water to be clear so I can see what's going on. When you were a kid, did you ever like get bubble baths and stuff where it made the water murky and be like scared there was gonna be a shark in the water? Or was that just like me? Me being me. Probably me being me, but did y'all ever hear about the woman? She was from medieval times. I'm not sure exactly what period, but I think her name was Catherine the Great. You can Google medieval woman takes blood bath, and she like would get the maidens in the town, the beautiful maidens, and just kill them, drain them, and bathe in their blood, because she thought that would make her stay young and refreshed and beautiful. What? I can't imagine. I feel like I bathe in body fluids every day between my job and having 2 babies. I got bathed in urine tonight while I was changing Bo's diaper. So, just a thing. You like this crazy head wrap? Me and Kinsley have matching ones. We have like 4 color matching sets. Is that too much? Is that being extra? I've been told I'm extra. I might be extra, but oh well. If I make her do it when she's like 21, then it might be extra. But poor KK. She's spending the night with Mama tonight because I'm sick, and they were sick last week, and they are gonna help. Since I'm just having a little bit of. Okay, so I have a problem. If I go up, there's a shadow on my face. If I go down, there's some action going on. Just a little bit. So, we're just going to have the action so we don't have the shadow. Maybe I'll just gently place my hand right here. Is this cute? Alright. Thanks for attending Tub Talks with Brandy. I have like 20 more minutes to go. I get bored. See you in 20. So this is what was left over after I drained the bath. That is disgusting and enough to keep me from never ever doing this again. I would have gagged like hell if I knew that was in the water with me. So I'm rinsed off. One thing that they said on the Pinterest post was make sure that you get up really slowly from the bath, because you can feel dizzy and you don't want to fall. God knows I don't want to fall and hurt my ankle. But yeah, detoxed. I don't know if it detoxed me or not. I hope that stuff did not come out of my body. But I can breathe out of one nostril, so progress. And I feel relaxed. My muscles were like so tender and sore. You know how you get when you get sick and everything. Just, by the way, I got a towel on. Everything hurts, from your hair to your ears. Speaking of hair, that would hurt me every day. I don't care when I'm at home. You shouldn't either. Well, if you feel like it, do it. Because I like to get dolled up too, but to each their own. Anyways, if you guys know of any good essential oils that I need to add to my new collection, because I literally just used the machine for the first time today, please leave a comment, let me know. I'm probably going to get on Pinterest, because all of that is verified information. And everything you see on the internet is true. But anyways, if you don't have anything nice to say, then shut your glam mouth. Love you guys. Have a good detox night.